I am always on the search for really great cruelty-free, healthy furniture, decor, and home products. So I am very excited to show you this box, ta-da, from Public Goods. They're a very forward-thinking company and they're focused on the environment and ethics. Two things I love. Their products do not contain harsh chemicals, right, Luca? They're affordable and cruelty-free, and the containers are reusable. Now, the founder of Public Goods is a guy whose family owned a leather business. He learned from the family business that the contents of a product is really worth very little, and that customers are paying up to 10 times what a product is worth because of the packaging. So he created a company that respects and understands that fact. I've always loved using products in atypical ways, so I'm going to show you, for example, how this candle that's made for the bathroom can be dressed up for the living room, or it can be dressed down for the kitchen. Luca is so excited for this, he just cannot contain himself. Right, Luca? Wake up.